there, my name is Samuel. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to prevent WhatsApp from losing too much data. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to get more videos, please click on the notification bell to get more videos. So step number 1, you go to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Okay. You go to settings, click on settings, okay, and you go to storage, you go to media auto download, you click on media auto download. Don't forget, if you see any ticks on this if you see any ticks on these places, don't forget, if you see any ticks like correct on these places, remove them there. See, remove it, remove them, unticks them. You came again when connected on Wi-Fi. If you see also tick there, untick them again. Go again when roaming. If you see any ticks there, unticks them again. So this is how to do it. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.